Hey crypto fans, thanks for joining me here on Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to show you some of the best play to earn crypto games that you can find on Ethereum right now. And as always guys, hey, if you enjoy the content that I create, then, hey, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give my video a thumbs up, because why not, right? And also guys, hey, feel free to follow me on Twitter here as well. You can find the link to my account in the description below the video. I like to talk about altcoins and, some of my favorite NFTs all day long. So if you're into that sort of thing, hey, go ahead, give me a follow if you want. All right, guys, so we are going to look into what I feel, my personal opinion of the best, the best play to earn games that are on Ethereum right now. Now, I will, full disclosure, I'm an honest guy, so I'm not going to lie to you, okay? Now, full disclosure here, I have not played all these games, okay? But I've heard enough information about them, and I've heard enough about them to know that they are the most, they are pretty much the most talked about right now, and they are, the most that people are looking into right now. I mean, I may have forgotten a few, but I don't have time to, go through like 35 different games. So we're gonna just talk about, touch base on, some of the most popular ones today. Now, the other thing I want to point out is some of these games also haven't even launched yet, so just keep that in mind as well. But they are launching here very soon, so that's great to hear. All right, guys. So the very first game I'm going to show you today is called Gods Unchained. Okay, everybody has heard of Gods Unchained. If you're an Ethereum, if you are a big Ethereum NFT fan, you have definitely heard of Gods Unchained. Currently on CoinMarketCap, it's ranked 418, and it is currently trading for $4.94 with their Gods token. And it's a pretty popular play to earn game. Honestly, it is a trading card game, and it pays you to play pretty much. From what I have learned about this is one of the ones I have not played. Me personally. So, but as we can see here, you guys, you've got complete ownership of your in-game items. You can collect your rare cards and build decks and sell cards to other players and stuff like that. So it's great to see, and I would assume that you get rewarded for winning card matches and stuff like that as well too. So that's great to see and great to hear. But obviously, it says here, you guys, it's designed with a focus on fair competitive play, where you unlock cards simply by playing the game, which is awesome. You're going to earn just by playing, which is great. You're not, nobody's like forcing you to have to like buy anything. We had games in the past, like, I'm just going to use an example here, like Clash of Clans, for instance. Okay, everybody knows Clash of Clans. It was a huge game, but it's one of those games where it's, yeah, you can, take the slow route and, the super slow route and, basically pay thousands of dollars to get your way, to move your way up and level up and stuff like that, but nobody wants to do that. Here you don't have to do that. You can swap things with people. You can you can gain different cards from people and just from playing the game and stuff like that. So it's great to see that there's a lot of these play to earn type games out there where people can actually trust the game. They don't have this underlying thought in their head, like, who's benefiting from this, other than, with games like this, you, the player, are gaining from it, not a corporate company behind the scenes. So that's what's great about stuff like this. Anyway, Gods Unchained, it's a very, very, very popular play to earn game. If you're into this sort of thing, hey, go ahead, come here and check it out. Come check it out, and yeah, fight for glory, collect and win cards by playing games, and you can trade and buy and sell cards, which is great to see, great to hear. Overall, guys, there's a huge audience out there for people who love these kind of games, so it's definitely got its place in the market. All right, guys, so the next game I'm going to talk about, everybody already knows this one. Actually, everybody knows quite a few of these games, but the next one I'm going to talk about is Axie Infinity, okay? This is another really highly ranked game, okay? Axie Infinity is actually probably the most popular on Ethereum, as far as overall price action goes, and overall popularity in general. It's currently ranked number 27 on CoinMarketCap. It's trading for $106. At one point in time, you guys, back in early 2021, at the beginning of the year, Axie Infinity was trading for less than a dollar. We're looking at 50 cents here on January 12th of 2021, and it's trading for $106. That just goes to show you guys, this game has made some huge moves. It really has. But overall, it's a play to earn game. You can earn AXS tokens simply by playing, and you can use them to decide on the future of the game. Let's see here. Overall, they have also got this land feature as well. You can become pretty much a landowner and start your own, pretty much your own like little kingdom, I guess you could say. You can, as it says here, you can use the land to farm resources, tokens, and attack dungeons as well. So that's pretty interesting. Overall, guys, Axie Infinity, it's one of those very popular play-to-earn games that you definitely don't want to miss out on if you're an Ethereum fan. All right, guys, so the next one I want to show you real quick is called Decentraland. Okay, everybody's heard of Decentraland. It's another really highly ranked one. It's currently ranked number 26 on CoinMarketCap, and as you guys can see, a lot more people are watching this one. But this one's been around for a very, very long time. I mean, I remember Decentraland, not really knowing too much about it all the way back in, in 2017 era. And as we can see here, you guys, back then, Decentraland or Mana was only trading for, I mean, as you can see here, like 23 cents. And then pretty much all throughout 2019 and 2020, we're looking at less than 5 cents here, you guys. I mean, now it's trading for above $3. So it just goes to show this project has definitely grown quite a bit. And it's probably going to grow a lot more in the long term as well, because as blockchain gaming and the blockchain gaming, the whole blockchain gaming thing and play to earn type stuff, it's all starting to take off. It really is. And one of the biggest reasons why, you guys, is because, I mean, you literally can earn NFTs just for playing the game. And then like Decentraland, for instance, they've got this one game in there that's called Wonder Mine. Okay. And the Wonder Mine it's pretty much a place where you basically you're basically breaking open asteroids that fall from the sky, and you can basically earn you earn, I guess you could say, free resources that you can then turn into NFTs later down the road, which is, obviously it doesn't happen right away, but yeah, it happens, and it's pretty interesting too. So, hey, if you're into that sort of thing and you want to get in on a very solid metaverse / play to earn type game, Decentraland, it's a it's probably one of the most popular ones out there right now. All right, guys, next up we've got a game called D-Race. Okay, this one has not launched yet. They've been building and building and building like crazy, but they haven't launched yet. They're currently they're ranked number 369 in CoinMarketCap. Again, very popular. A lot of people are watching it. It's currently trading for $3.96. Let's see some other past price data. Clearly, price data only goes back until the beginning of August in 2021. I'm filming this in December of 2021. But back in August, you guys, it was trading for a little less than $1. So it hasn't really had much time to move yet. But I would assume as this game takes off in the future, as more and more people start to play it and whatnot, it's eventually going to gain momentum, you guys. It's going to take off just like, personally, I think it's going to take off just like Zed Run did, but this one's going to be a little different. So, but overall, guys, it's pretty much got the same concept as Zed Run almost. You can mint your horses, you can breed different horses with all kinds of different traits and performances and stuff like that, and visual appearances and whatnot. You can sell them as well. You can breed your horses, and you pretty much win. Win rewards from horse races and winning those horse races. So it is a great play to earn game that I think a lot of people are, I think this is really going to take off in the long term. But overall, this is just, again, one of those another one of those play to earn games that's probably going to take off in the future. As we can see here, you guys, they are planning to fully launch between Q1 and Q2 of 2022. So that's coming up here real soon, which will be awesome. And then hopefully by Q3 of Q4 of 2022, they'll have a mobile app for the game as well. So that would be very, very interesting to see. And as we can see here, you guys, they've got Alex Becker. Everybody knows Alex Becker. He's one of their gaming advisors. So it's definitely a legit project. I mean, clearly if they've got, big influencers like that behind them. So yeah, it's definitely one of those that you want to check out for the long term. All right, guys, next up, we've got a huge one called the Sandbox. Okay, everybody's heard about the Sandbox. Sandbox is currently ranked again in the top 100. It's currently ranked number 38 right now, and actually this has more people watching it than Decentraland did. As we can see here, Decentraland, only 672,000 people on it had it on their watch lists. And here we're Sandbox, we've got about double that number. So the Sandbox could probably take off quite a bit. And the Sandbox recently just launched their alpha version, and well, I'll show you that in a minute. But as we can see here, you guys, in the past, Sandbox price data all the way back to August of 2020, when it was less than 5 cents, and it's really taken off like crazy, you guys. Projects like this, man, they're just going to do very, very well long term, because people love gaming. There's a huge market for gamers out there. There's a lot of people who love to be able to play and earn, which is what these games are doing, or which is what these platforms are doing, which is awesome. The Sandbox, actually, they just launched their alpha, which is pretty interesting because everybody's been waiting for this. It's only available on Windows right now, so if you're interested in trying it and playing it, you can download the client and start playing. So you can play, create, and own and govern a virtual metaverse made by the players. I already checked it out a little bit. In the alpha, there's really not much that you can do. It's very limited, but it's pretty interesting. You can earn sand tokens just by playing the game, so it's pretty interesting, and it sounds great. And overall, a lot of people have been waiting for this game to launch as well. All right, guys, so the Sandbox, definitely one you have to check out, okay? Let's see here. Now, the next one we've got is called Rev, okay? For people who love racing games, I'm talking like, Formula One racing, stock car racing, pretty much any kind of racing, MotoGP, anything like that, you're going to love this one. This one is for you guys. And I know there's not that big of a market for, people like that, but there is a huge market for, people who are into racing. But Rev Token, it's currently ranked number 576 on CoinMarketCap, and it's currently trading for 20 cents as well. Let's see here, as far as past price data goes, September of 2020 is when it started. And it has made, it's made all-time highs all the way up to, above 60 cents. So that's pretty good to see. This is one of those games, again, guys, like I said, if you're into racing, you're going to love this. If you're not into racing, you're not going to love it, okay? But there's multiple games that you can earn with. As it says here, all titles in the Rev Motorsport ecosystem are based around the concept of play to earn, which means that in addition to great and varied gameplay experiences, there exists a way to earn through the act of participating in games. So you can earn just by participating as well, so which is great. As you guys can see here, they've got 4 different games already ready for people to play. You can just start playing them. So that's pretty interesting to see and pretty awesome. All right, guys, so the next platform I've got for you, actually this is the last one I've got for you for this video, is Gala Games, okay? Everybody's heard of Gala Games. It's another huge one, currently ranked number 43 on CoinMarketCap. Currently trading for 53 cents at the time of filming right now. So as you guys can see here, there's a huge trend going on, okay? All of these bigger ones that I have talked about, they're all within the top 100. So that should tell you something right there. It really should. As you can see, price has been going up like crazy. As you guys can see here, Gala Games, back in September 2020, again, less than a penny here, you guys, less than 1 penny. And then pretty much all through 2020, it had pretty much less than, pretty much averaged less than 3 cents. So, if you wanted to get in on this, oh man, if you got in on this early and you rode it out until, its all-time high of recently, man, you probably made out pretty good on this, honestly. And you will long-term as well, because, as more and more people enter this blockchain gaming market, guys, the more and more people are going to make money off of this. It is such a great opportunity. But Gala Games is pretty much a platform with a bunch of different blockchain play-to-earn games. Not all of them are play-to-earn, but some of them are. Their biggest one is called Town Star. and basically you can earn pretty much just for playing the game and using playing with your NFTs and stuff like that. So obviously it says here, you guys, let's see, what does it mean to play to earn? Okay, so companies like Gala Games are empowering gamers with games like Townstar, which players are not only allowed to truly own their assets, but encouraged to trade them on secondary markets. In some cases, players are even able to earn rewards for playing with these owned items. So you're earning for making money off of your NFTs that you use in the game, selling them on secondary markets and stuff like that. But you're also earning just from playing the game in some cases as well. So that's pretty interesting. Everybody's gonna love that in the long term, you guys. Like I said before, all of these blockchain games or all of these play to earn games that are coming out lately, it's only going to continue to grow more and more as time goes on. I mean, it really is, you guys. We are in the early stages of this whole blockchain gaming phenomena, and hey, why not get in early before the storm hits? I mean, honestly. So all right, guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video, though. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up, you guys. But again, hey, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me here on Twitter with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, hey, if you haven't already, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.